Hello everyone. Now we are going to start our next chapter of math, measurement. Measurement defines as the act of measuring the size, length, capacity of an object. Longer and shorter. We can see pictures of two objects. Now we have to say which one is longer and which one is shorter. The first one is longer and the second one is shorter. Now, between these two leaves, which one is longer and which one is shorter? The first one is longer and the second one is shorter. Longest, shortest. Now we have three leaves. We have to say which one of this is longest and which one is shortest. The first leaf is longest and the last one is shortest. Now we have three carrots. Which one is longest and which one is shortest? The first carrot is longest and the last carrot is shortest. Taller and shorter. We have pictures of two boys. Now tell me which one is taller, which one is shorter. The first boy is taller and the second boy is shorter. Now we have two trees. Which one is taller and which one is shorter? The first one is taller and the second one is shorter. Tallest and shortest. Now we have to say between these three objects which one is tallest and which one is shortest. The first brush is tallest and the last brush is shortest. Now, between these three boys, who is tallest and who is shortest? The first one is tallest and the last one is shortest. Thinner, thicker. Now we have to guess between these two trees which one is thinner and which one is thicker. The first one is thinner. The second one is thicker. Now, between these two brushes, which one is thinner, which one is thicker? The first one is thinner. The second one is thicker. Thinnest and thickest. Which one is thickest and which one is thinnest? The first brush is thinnest. The last brush is thickest. Now, within these three, who is thinnest and who is thickest? Carrot is thinnest and pumpkin is thickest. Heavier and lighter. We have brinjal and chili. Who is heavier and who is lighter? Brinjal is heavier and chili is lighter. Elephant and frog. Who is heavier and who is lighter? Elephant is heavier, frog is lighter. Heaviest and lightest. We have elephant, cat and butterfly. Who is heaviest and who is lightest? Elephant is heaviest. Butterfly is lightest. Now we have pumpkin, tomato and chili. Who is heaviest and who is lightest? Pumpkin is heaviest and chili is lightest.